Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open your developer console and confirm the app ID, bundle identifier, and target platform. Next, set the default locale to English in your project settings and resource files so UI strings load correctly. Once done, switch your metadata and screenshots to English versions and update the app name where supported. This ensures the store shows English immediately, rather than falling back to another language. Now focus on the complex middle steps, metadata and assets. Translate the title, subtitle, short and long descriptions into clear English and paste them into the store listings for each target country. Then replace or add English screenshots, feature images, and a localized preview video with English captions so users see accurate content. Make sure keywords, category selection, and age rating match English-speaking market expectations. This helps discoverability and avoids mismatches that can block visibility. Finish by deploying and verifying the English store presence. Submit a build with language packs and include English release notes so the console surfaces the correct locale. Review the store preview and test on devices or emulators set to English to confirm UI, screenshots, and descriptions display properly. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip: clear platform caches, re-upload the English assets, and resubmit metadata. This often resolves lingering localization, caches, and forces the store to refresh to English.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.